It's Friday, August 17th. I'm Jeff Fretz, and you're watching Axery's News Broadcast. If the euro-dollar will be able to hold above daily pivot, we can expect an upward move to remain in favor towards R1 resistance. A correction could make price fall below daily pivot, but then would be limited at S1 support, where we can expect it to rise again. We are expecting a bullish trend. The dollar yen is heading towards resistance R1, where we expect consolidation before a further rise. Next objective will then be at R2, where the top may form. But if it tops earlier and falls below daily pivot, a correction will be in favor, with a decline below support S1 to confirm a downward move. Another bullish trend today. If the sterling dollar holds above daily pivot, an upward move will continue and retest resistance R1. Further rise, in this case, will target at R2 resistance. Our third bullish trend today. As our only bearish trend today, the dollar franc has formed the bottom at S1 support, with a rebound to be confirmed later after it breaks above daily pivot. But if price won't break above daily pivot, we can expect retesting of support and then downward move towards S2 and below. Today's first news is about German PPI figures, which will be released at 7 a.m. GMT. Analysts expect medium impact on the euro and an improvement from the previous minus 0.4%. PPI is expected to rise by 0.4%. Next at 9 a.m. GMT, ECB is going to publish figures about current account in the Eurozone. It is expected to surplus at 7.8 billion euro, which is deteriorated overall by 3.1 billion euro. It will also have a medium impact on the euro. Last news for today will be released at 2:55 p.m. GMT by University of Michigan, and it concerns U.S. prelim consumer sentiment, which will probably slightly increase to 72.5 points from previous 72.3 points. High impact on the dollar can be awaited. Before we finish, here's our overall standings of the best traders and strategies here at Axery. According to the T-score ordering, Teo for Aussie Yen moved to the first position while it fell to 749.2 pips. Second is now Teo for Kiwi Dollar, which increased to 414.6 pips from previous 304.8 pips. Also, APS GTS1 has risen by 92 pips. Low Risk Invest and MultiTrader increased slightly and remains at first place. India Rose and FX Multiplier haven't changed since yesterday and are holding their positions. And on this date in 1859, the first airmail was made in a balloon which took off from Lafayette, Indiana. Thanks for watching Axery's News Broadcast. Have a profitable day, and we'll see you Monday.